Hello, 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 hello. Welcome, 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 ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Dan the Tantalizer. Dan, welcome, 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 guys. How is everyone doing? You have to wrap it up early today because I have to sleep tomorrow at college, or you have to do it without me. Oh no, that cannot happen. We'll try and wrap it up in a couple of hours. Man, my viewer is super demanding. Wrap it up. How are you doing, Tan? How's life? How's college? Uh, all right. Is this set up? Oh, my. Something is off. No, it's not off. It's. Ah, there you go. Okay, everything. You can hear me. I'm assuming you can hear me correctly. I'm just going to wait for a second or so to see if there are any viewers. When did Dan message this if he's not even here? Then let me see if I can find DMCA free music. Ooh, doo, 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 doo. Doo, 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 doo. No copyright. I don't want gaming music. I want something chill. This looks like it. Is it? Can you hear it in the stream by any chance? No. Is it because of the volume? I think it's because of this. Yeah. Let me see if I can figure this out. I don't think I can. I don't think I can figure this out. The only thing is, maybe I'll just listen. You don't get to listen to the music. Only I'll listen. All right. I need to off for now. Thank you. All right. We'll wait for a second or two to get the coffee in. Hello, hello, hello. Okay. Let me also confirm my stream if it's working, like the audio part, because again, I don't have anyone to confirm. Mic testing, mic testing. All right. I think we are all set. And what is this? Okay, this is this. Okay. While we wait, let's. What was the name of this software? Voice meter. Let's see if there's an alternative. Voice meter alternative for Mac. Yeah, this is what I had seen earlier. And this is what's the name? Ginger Audio. Yo, guy codes. Good evening. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I was just waiting for the coffee to cooking and then we'll start. How are you doing? I don't know, man. This is too expensive. $120 a year. I don't want to pay for that. Finally, you stream. I texted. Oh, you did? Wait. You texted me on the channel. Actually, I was going to stream on. I was going to stream on Saturday or something, Friday, but I couldn't. Where did you text me? Analytics community. Oh, I didn't know this existed. I'm sorry. I'm doing good, man. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, see your comments now. Like it didn't give me a notification, but hey Thor. Okay, okay. Yeah. Welcome, 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 guys. How are you doing? How are you, Thor? I saw you joined Discord. Okay, well, I'll go back to my live thing. I made some, not progress, but I did some research. The during this week on when we can do next to speed up our development and also improve. Like, just let me set this up first. Live. There you go. So that I can keep an eye out on the stream studio. Yeah. Okay. Where was I? Yeah. Please use Discord here in comments. Oh yeah, I can do it right now. Can I do it right now? I don't think I have this set. No, I don't have anything set. Why would I have anything set? Okay, let me copy paste Discord right now. Yeah. So last time, few things that I did wrong was one was I chose lot of different new variables, right? So for me, P2P WebSockets I have used before, but P2P in general is new. Along with that, I also invite to server, copy. Here you go. I did it twice. Sorry. I'll pin it. Yeah. Along with that, I also I don't know why, but I decided to use Bun, right? So all these new text, it was creating more friction than we needed. So I decided to simplify things, even though there are a couple of new things, but let me show you. So I've set up the code base to use Supabase as our backend, right? And Next.js as a front end. Simple, straightforward. The reason is, number one, it's easy to develop. Like Supabase comes with what do we call it? Real-time channels, which supports WebSockets. So if we want to use WebSockets, it's just works out of the blue. And they have a very generous free tier. So if we deploy it to production, right, you can just use it. We don't have to worry about. No, it's not. It's not. So I deliberately left the actual coding part, actual vibe coding part to the end because I thought I'll do it on the stream, but I just set it up so that things are up there, right? So now we'll just quickly do what we were doing last. Even ngrok, I also figured out ngrok is working now. So let me do this. Let me do this. Don't tell me. Oh, no, wait. There you go. The reason ngrok wasn't working was because of my VPN. Here you go. So if you go to this link, the page should load for you. Yeah, I see 4 opens. I see people. So this is a simple. I just set up the code base and everything. So there is nothing new, nothing working there. But I thought we'll vibe code it now. I'm going to shut down ngrok because I'll open it every time and share the link. The only reason is if someone nefarious comes to the stream and starts bombarding my computer with requests, I don't want to do that. All right. So we have not this. Yeah, we have this. So again, we'll create a simple room. So let's write the prompt for it first because that was the second thing I was doing this. So we'll again use agents everywhere, right? We are going to use simple peer. So first we'll create the UI, right? So we want the agent to create a new page called. What is the actual game? The actual game is Wavelength. Let me Google that. And so it's basically, so it's a board game, right? Where we have a psychic, like that's the player who comes up with like 2 values, and then we have multiple players. And what does this psychic decides the value? Something like this. Well made or poorly made, right? And then he assigns a number and tries to give a hint about this. And then the players have to move the dial to guess what the psychic is trying to psychically tell them. So there is a good example. See, splits are yellow and orange. Psychic draws a card. Bad movie to good movie. Yeah. So whatever the value the psychic sets in, that's what everyone has to guess. Okay, got it, right? Yeah, so that's the game. So that's why we have two options for the game, right? So I think I walked you through P2P or WebSockets and everything. So we are just going to create simple P2P. We all will try together how the P2P works. And if it doesn't work, then we'll go to WebSockets. So where was I? I was just writing a quick prompt for the agent to do that. We'll try and do everything vibe coding. I'm doing vibe coding like this because I'm not good at it. I'm not good in the sense that I'm still getting used to it. Psychic will be AI, right? Oh, that is a good idea. That is a good idea. I didn't think of that. I thought Psychic will be one of the players, but we can. I'm going to add it. Wavelength with AI Psychic. That, oh, nice. I wasn't thinking of that, but I think we can add that like in the future version. Hello, WebRTC page, which is a simple page to test P2P connection. Man, Guy Codes, you need to change your name to something cool, man. Your ideas are amazing. I like that. The page should have two buttons. Join a room or create a room. If the user clicks on join a room, I'm going to write the long prompt so we can one shot it. Join a room, take them, open a text box. Pop with text box where they can enter the room name. If the user clicks on create a room, open a web form with following fields. Username, room name. What else? Let's just keep it like this right now. And then we'll also have a button. Button to create the room. Okay, let's keep it like this. Let's just create this thing. Why? What happened then? Dan is angry. I am waiting for your stream. Oh, you were? Yeah, you didn't get notification or anything? Oh, I forgot part of the prompt, but let's see how it created. Let's see. Let's go back. What was the page name it created? Hello WebRTC. Hello WebRTC. Ooh, let's go. Create a room. Create a room. Join a room. Okay. Good enough. Good enough for now. Yes. create the WebRTC connection logic and integrate. So now we are going to create the backend part of the WebRTC and integration server using Next.js API and Supabase, which is running locally. Your stream didn't. Oh, you missed my new idea. I just sent it to the top. Oh, sorry. You can even mint some money. I know. If the game really works as expected, then yeah, maybe why not? So Tan, just FYI, we we updated, we changed the way we are going to create this game now. So instead of using Bun and all these new technologies, we are just going to use Supabase, Next.js, and just that's it. No more complicated Docker and all. And we just call. Okay. Dan wanted to make sure he doesn't miss anything. Wait. I should have been a little bit use simple peer to create WebRTC utility. You know Next.js, right? Yeah. So we are going to use like super everything vibe coding. So most of the time, allow. Oh, this is good. I can keep it like this. See, the only problem is there is no music when we are vibe coding. Is it working? You have Claude Max plan? No, actually, I have Copilot. I'm using Cloud in Copilot, GitHub Copilot. So GitHub Copilot Premium has access to all these. Where is it? All these models, and its free tier is pretty generous. So right now I'm using free tier. Premium request like into included paid plan is pretty generous. I just use that. I don't have to pay extra. I can use any model that I want. So it created this thing for us. And what we are going to do is we are going to just give it time box it. So we are going to give it 1 or 2 npm install. Okay. We are going to give it 1 or 2 tries. That's it. And else we'll just jump to WebSockets. Back. Welcome back, Tan. You missed such a important update, man. You should have told us, Tan. I'm going to add. I'm going to add this. पैसा ही पैसा होगा. Okay. I see 6 people. 6 people? Where do you see 6 people? Oh, you mean 6 viewers? Oh. No, you told me. I was just kidding. Why did my music stop? I don't need this. Where do we? Okay. Okay, so now we have a simple, easy web automatic signal polling. Okay, we have all these APIs in. Let's see Supabase. So we have messages channel, messages table, participants table, rooms table, signaling table. Okay, let's go here. Let me restart my dev server just to make sure. Return statement is not allowed here. Ooh, where did he return? Okay, I think there is a. Okay, I see what is. We are already returning this. So let me comment this out. I don't know what error did he make, but let's see. Okay, let's see. Let's create a room. I'll enter this. Okay, now I'll enter my name. I'll enter my name and I'll say room name is this. Something worked. Something worked, right? Something worked. So I'm going to remove the. So the agent was over smart. It went ahead and created WebRTC. So it went ahead and created like video feeds for us. I'm going to. Are you guys interested in trying this? Else, I'm going to tell the agent to create a simple messaging WebRTC connection, not the video one. But I'll show you it's working with the video. So if I do this, okay, why is camera off? What was the room name? Oh, okay. Your connection is not secure. Microphone, camera only this time. Camera off. Okay, that I don't care. But it did, like I cannot show you here, but it did turn on my webcam. So we accidentally made something. But let's see. I think that's why it created, see, join room model, create room model, if current room. Let's see if it created more pages. No, it didn't. Okay. We'll just say, I'll just remove this. Update the join room logic. What do we want to do here? Let us think about. Yeah. We can do that. Oh, we can actually. Oh man, this is why I love coding. So I'm going to add all these features. I'm just going to say features. Wavelength using AI Psychic. Add webcam support. That's why I love creating stuff, man. There's so many cool ideas. So before we jump to Khayali Pulaus, what do we want to do here? We want to change the room so that users can simply join the room and send messages. So update the join room logic to do the following. Oh, actually, can you see my prompt? You can't, right? Ooh, let me move my camera. Let me move my camera to maybe here. Is this better? Or you don't care about the prompt? I'll keep it here. Let me know. Chatting features too. Okay, that's a good point. I'll add that too. Feature that webcam support and chatting support. Okay. For now, I'll just remove the webcam UI. What do we want is add the room name as header, add UI elements to send messages, add UI elements to show who else has joined the room, add UI elements to show all the messages sent by the room members. It's fine there. Okay, chatting features too, but answer is typed. Oh, that will be very smart AI features that we need. If answer is typed, it cannot automatically hide it, right? Yeah. Add friends to play again, groups. Oh, I like that about groups, but it's more about the social part. If we can get the psychic AI and video feature working, it will be awesome. Did we? Oh, yes, we did. Yes, we did. We just did a quick try before starting the stream. So we have changed our tech stack right now. What we have done is what we have done is we have used we are going to use Supabase in the back end, Next.js in the front end, and NGRock is also working. And that's about it. And we have two options. Both options are partially working, as we saw. Once we do a quick hello world between both two and see how fast things work, we can think about next steps. Make something similar to Squid. Ooh, I almost dropped my coffee. What do you mean by Squid Game screen styles? Okay, that man. Guy Codes, we need to collab, man. You are full of amazing ideas. Let's see if or ooh. Okay, guys, are you ready to try? Are you ready to test this with me? Please tell me, are you guys ready to test with me? Okay. Yeah. Here you go. Even if the app asks about camera permission, don't worry. I'm building it in front of you. Okay. I don't have camera access. I'm not using it. It's just the AI has coded in it. We'll remove it as we go forward. But once you join, let me know. Join the room DaveMode. I can. Oh, okay. Whatever is comfortable. Your first message when you send, just send. What's the name? Yeah, room name is this. Send your name in the message when you send it, because I don't think we have a way to enter the name here, and we don't even need it. But yeah, 3 people came in. Some random. Oh, really? Let me see. I just see one room. Are you guys in the room by any chance? Did it come? Did you send a message, Tan, in the room? Hmm. I'm also going to do this. Let me quickly do this. See participants. Yeah. So participant first one is me when I created this page. Second two are me when I refresh the page. So it's just me, all three. Okay. I'm trying to join it from my phone. I sent a message in the chat. Okay. So obviously this is taking forever to send. Why doesn't it connect? So I think this is proof enough that, oh, maybe it's not. Nothing is showing. Okay, also let me also try this. Send to your devices. Wait. I see messages on my iPad. Hi Tan, I see messages here. You're becoming famous now. I know. I think I know what is the issue. Did you see new messages, guys? Yeah. See, hi, I see. Hi Tan, hi this. But the thing is, I don't think new messages will come here. Hello. Two. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, it doesn't come here. You know why? I'll show you. I know what's happening. So hello to the message is already here. Okay. The problem is our implementation. I can guarantee that we are not. Okay. I guarantee we are not we are not pinging the messages table to read the messages. Okay. Update the code to poll the update. Should we? Okay, for now we can just poll. Code to poll the messages table. Wait, but ideally the messages should be P2P. Yeah. Signaling messages to allow sending messages P2P. instead of writing to the table. I'm trying to think. I think I'll write along with writing to the table. The UI should update the messages automatically on receiving new ones. Let AI. We need the table too. Yeah. We already have the messages table. So this is where I saw. See this table. Send a message. Tan. Send, or someone whoever has this open. Send a message and you'll see it come over here. I'm very confident you'll see it come over here. And write your name and send the message. Or Guy Codes or Thor, anyone who is available. Or even I can try. So I say hello 3. I'll just say hello 3. If I do send. Oh. Now it doesn't work. Because it's updating it. Okay. Hold on. It's still fixing it. Did they come? Wait. The backend is updating it. Just give me a second. Because I asked the agent to start implementing stuff, it's doing its thing. All right. So first send priority, first attempts P2P deliver instant, then saves to database persistent, shows immediate feed to P2P messages. Okay. Refresh, join the room, same one. Join. Hey, who is this? Who is this guy? Is this you, Dan? It won't come. Code is being updated. I sent a lot of messages. I see your this one message. I'll try and join from here. There you go. Yeah, Tan. How long does it take Tan to? Yes. Yay. See? So it is working. It's pretty fast, right? As far as I can tell. Right? Okay. Okay, so this works. This is pretty fast. Let's go to next step. GG's. Yeah. Before we go to next step, let's do this. I'm going to shut down the ng-rock right now. Okay, guys. So that again, git status. I'm going to commit these files. I will make sure I don't commit any files. Base ts setup there changes. I have okay. tan yes, IG came on 1:40 p.m. per you, and the message I sent before that was at 1:14:03. So no, so did it take too long? Okay, let's do one more experiment before we begin. Okay, I know this is working. It's working, but IG is slow. IG, what does IG mean? I guess it's slow. Let's confirm that. Let's make two changes. Update the add option for the user to enter their name before they join the room. Show the name in the, what was it the messages table? What was this thing? Yeah, show the user name in the messages and participants column. Third, so we want to measure how long does it take to send the message and receive it over here. So timestamp, we need to measure how long does it take to send and receive the messages. Timestamp the message when the user sends it, and measure the time it took to receive the message. Print the time as time taken along with the message. Display the time. Display along the message on the message board. So what we are going to do is, I also tell it, consider the time difference. Consider the geolocation difference and time difference. Local time difference between users. Okay. Uh, 10 people watching? Really? It just shows me 4 people. But anyways, what was I saying? Yeah. So what this will do is, one, it will add names so it's clear. Second, it will timestamp when you send the message on the client. Ideally, that's what it should do. It will timestamp when you send the message and timestamp when you get the message at your end on the client. And it will calculate the difference and implement it for us. Hopefully that's all it does. Air 1, time taken is the distance by time. What? Isn't it distance by speed? Also print the name, Air 1, third year, us. Hey Shrey, welcome. What's the game about? Just let me develop and skip. Okay, so game is Wavelength, Shrey. It is this board game where one person is a psychic who draws the card and selects two extremes, comes up with a number for those extremes, and then decides the number and then tries to psychically give hints about that number to the user. So we are trying to build it, but we are trying to build it in phases. So right now we are just figuring out what's the best technology for that. So right now we are client room, keep, okay. We are trying to play around with WebRTC. We are trying to play around with WebSockets, and then we'll decide which one to use to vibe code it. All the Indians spawned. Good. Okay, let's see. Join a room. Your name, Gaurang, room name, DaveMode, join. Okay, so I'll say hello world. It doesn't show the time, but it doesn't show it time for me. So, okay. Let's try this again, guys. I'm going to create a new room this time. So let's leave room. Let's start fresh, okay? Gaurang. The room name is DaveMode 2. Okay. I'm again going to do this. I am going to share the link. It shows below? Okay. Let's see. Here you go, guys. DaveMode 2. Okay, room name is DaveMode 2. And enter your name so that I can see. Okay, wait. I have not yet created the room, so hold on. Interesting. Hey, Tan. I see Tan. But it doesn't see the time it took to... It shows the local time. It doesn't show how long did it take to reach here, right? Okay. Let's fix that. Thor, oh Shrey, hey everyone. It doesn't show the participants as well, but we don't care about that. This is just something we are experimenting with, so it's okay. I think this is still doable, right? Can you guys estimate what like it does it? It's instant, right? Okay. Oh, we have Naveen. We have new people here. Hey Naveen, welcome. Okay. So let's do this. Do you want to skip the WebSockets part? You want to skip the WebSockets part and just focus on the game? We can just create the game. Hey Chetan, welcome. We can just focus on building the game. Let's say it's around 2 seconds after. This is interesting. Let's try that. I'm going to shut down the server, guys. Okay. So it's instant for you. Okay, Navin, where are you? Are you in India or are you in US or Canada? Okay. What was I going to do? Okay. Yes. I'm going to let's delay the WebSockets thing. If this is working, we can try this out. Else we'll go to the WebSockets again if needed. So what do we need to generate the wavelength game, right? Obviously we need UI. And we need backend. I am just thinking out loud, okay? What is this? This is setting to UI, backend. So for UI, Navin from India. Okay. Let's try WebSocket 2. But I think if it's a couple of seconds, we can just pause it for now. We can build the game. And then if the logic doesn't work, we can replace it with WebSockets. That's what I was thinking, because this is pretty good for now. And the other reason to use P2P is if we, let's say, deploy it to production, P2P can actually handle more users than WebSockets, even with the free tier. So with the free tier, we can have at most 200 users. Again, I don't have 200 users, but the app can support at most 200 users with WebSockets. But with P2P, it will be far more because it's mostly P2P connection. Right? So what do we need for UI? So let's see screen 1 and tell me if there's anything. User come in, right? And what does the user see? Yeah, I think user will see the same ring, right? When user opens the app and sees, wait, let's see. Enters the name. I can't type, right? Enter the name. Didn't mean to do that. And clicks next. Screen 2. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I like that. Okay. I know exactly what we want to do. So I'm going to write the screens we need, and then we'll tell. So I use this app called Stitch to generate UI. It's going to be a little bit long process, but it generates really good UI. Or we can use the agent for now. Let's see. But we'll tell the agent to create a Squid Game like theme. We can also Google what is Squid Game like theme, UI theme, and ask the agent to build it in that. Let's see. Screen 2. User sees 2 options. Create a room. Join a room. Screen 3. Okay, create a room. User enters room name and clicks create. So this is same as what we have right now. I'm just creating a mental model, and we'll just create a new page to do all that. So our experiment stays as it is. What do we see after the room happens? So this user who created the room, should we assign him as psychic? Number of lives when wrong answer. Okay, does the logic have that lives thing? Does the game logic have lives and everything else? Tan, you can be the person, or if anyone knows the game too well. Okay, it's room name, number of lives, number of rounds. What else? Okay, we'll just get and clicks create. Now, does the game has lives and everything? Lives like every time you give a wrong answer, something happens, or it's just. So after you clear, the user gets in. User waits for all the friends to join in, right? Create. Okay. Screen 4. Game waiting room. This is a game waiting room. Now we have the room. We have created the room. We are waiting for everyone to join. User sees the list of players as they join. User can see the list of players when they join. User can assign a run. Right now, whoever creates the room is the psychic, so I'm not going to do that, but I'll say I will decide this later on. User can, if only I can type. A random player as psychic. Okay, trip point. Game goes for keep it better or keeping it is better. Okay, so I've added number of lives, number of rounds. So we can just do one round and see how it works. Game goes forever. Okay, like we played 20 points. Okay, so we'll say max points. We'll say max points. Okay, okay. Okay, and then there is a start game button. So now, what does the psychic do? Does the psychic selects a random question, right? Let's just use this example for now, and then we'll have the AI generate a bunch of questions for us. Whatever this is. Oh, team splits. We need to split it into 2 teams. We need to split them into 2 teams. Before start game button. Okay, okay. I'm trying to think. Okay, splitting team. We'll do it later. I just want to get the dial mechanism done. So I want to do it, reach there, and then we'll add all these parts later on. Game screen. Okay, game screen. We can have chat. Yes, yes, we can. But for now, I just want to see if this mechanism works or not, right? Okay, I'm going to use AI for even for this prompt. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this general UI. I'm going to go to Gemini and I'm going to tell it I'm going to use it here. I'm going to say I need to create screens for the game. I have a coding agent that does very well with designing and implementing the screens. Your role is to create detailed prompts for the screen. Below is the general plan of below is the simple list of screens we need. Can you create prompts for the coding agent? We want all the screens to be modern. We want, I know. We want all the screens to be modern. We want all the screens responsive. And follow the Squid Game TV show color scheme. Scheme. I can't spell scheme. Okay. Let's see how it goes. We'll tell AI to tell AI to tell AI to do our work. That's the new era of coding, guys. You do the same. I know, right? I mean, I can write prompts, but then this guy writes really good prompts. See? This is exciting. That's good as a very specific minimalistic, brutalistic meta instruction for coding agent. Apply to all prompts. Okay. Create room form, game waiting lobby, game screen. Let's see what this much creates, right? So I'm going to create a new agent. I don't want to see the sessions. I don't want this. New page for wavelength game. And I'm going to give it one screen at a time. We need to create multiple game screens. And let's create them. I need to give a little bit detail to this. Your role is to create the wavelength. Create wavelength board game, but using P2P, but web-based and using P2P. But web-based, let's keep it like this. First step is to create all the UI. Create all the UI. The game. Below are the details. Below are the meta details and first screen details. Let's see what it does. Let's see what it does. Did I copy it? Yes. All right. Now I can read the chat. Sorry, I was in my thoughts. We will have chat box. It's going to got a card saying left, right. It's black. So I'll see the board 222 when you move. It's like scribble like that. Use AI to tell AI. Do the same dumb guy when you are streaming. Me, I'm leaving. Anyway, to install any ways to install Parallels for free? I don't know, man. Let's see. Is it creating a new? Okay, it created. What is it? Okay, Wavelength. It created a new page. Okay, that's good. It's smart enough. What is Parallels? Sunny? I'm just going to say Sunny. Okay, it already created the Wavelength page. That was fast. Does it look Squid Gamey to you? Does this look Squid Gamey? player 456. It did give me this name, player 456. It's a virtual box. Okay, okay. Guys, let me see. Does it? I don't know why, what and why he wanted. Squid Game is a fun show, so I like that idea. Actually, I wanted to make it like my gaming channel theme, but we'll go with this kind of. Okay, we'll go with this. Now let's see. Prompt to main menu. Kind of. Okay. I wanted for the screen layout where the questions will pop. Okay. Okay. Let's just move along. I want to get to the point where we connect the backend and then we can quickly, experiment with this. And if that works, then we are good. There's also a welcome screen. Okay, it created the screen. And actually, once we have the backend and front end working, we can spend more dedicated time tweaking the UI. If it's working, then UI tweaking should be easy. Okay, what it's going to do is, I think it's going to, I don't worry, it's going to add all the screens. Join room card teal green. Okay. Keep. Okay, let's go. Yes, first working. Make it. Guys. Okay, this. I mean, come on, guys. Come on, guys. This is awesome. This is awesome. This is Squid Gamey. This is awesome sauce. Create room form. This is awesome sauce. Let's see, does anything happen? Host a game. Create room coming soon. Okay. Smart. Very smart. You like it? 10. I'm making this for you. I mean, this request came from you, right? So, how much are you going to pay me for this? Looks cool, right? Yeah, it looks pretty cool. So, it did a pretty decent job at making UI, but there's another app uh, called Stitch that does amazing work. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. So yeah, what I was saying was Stitch. There's another app called Stitch. It does amazing work at designing UI. It's a Google experiment right now. I don't know how much do you want. Oh, Tan is offering money for this. Okay, let me see. I want to buy a condo in downtown, a Tesla, or maybe 2 Teslas. Yeah, I would want to build a power. $1 million. That's it. That's nothing much. Okay, okay. It did all these cool things. So now if I go here, okay, I'll say player GD, next, host. Oh, how does it look in mobile? Let's see. How does it look in? Ooh. Ooh. Squid Game. Max rounds. Max points per round. Okay, it's either 50 or okay, it's an increment of 50. guys, guys, this is awesome sauce. I like it. Game waiting room. Hey, what's fit girl? I'd seen someone post the other day where the government sites had some reference to fit girls, and it was obviously hacked or something. But I don't know what's that. By the way, did you see the new UI? We are talking about fit girl. What the hell? This looks sexy, right? Oh man. Join room is coming soon. Okay. Oh, nope. I don't want this. This is old one. It's a piracy site. Oh. Pirated games. Oh. Okay. Okay. So we have the player for development tracking. Okay. It also did that. Okay. Good. So let's do host a room name. I'll keep everything local. Initialize game. Okay. This looks like this is place. Dude, look at the naming conventions. Frontman, player 1 blah 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 overthing, registered players waiting, assign random assigning psychic to someone from this. Oh, this is so cool. All right, welcome Frontman Dave. all right. Keep this. I'm going to add this stuff first. The more we vibe code, the more I've seen that sometimes it tends to. What did I do? It tends to mess up the UI, so I'll keep saving it. All right. So this prompt, it says we don't have the game, but we need to outer shell the main game view. React run that serves the layer of active game. Okay, I'll change this. I want the game UI here, right? Can you update prompt 5 to actually create the game UI? Let's use. So after start the game, ideally Psychic should be able to set the questions. But right now we'll just use hard coded list of questions. Is it question? What is the game term for this? Okay, we'll just use hard coded values for the dial and the thing and clues. List for dial options and the clues for now. Game UI, I'm going to say dial spectrum, etc. Sorry, I haven't been looking at chat. It's a private side. Yes, she's from the series. Hogwarts Legacy is not there. I was playing Expedition 33. Ooh, guitar. Okay, guitar. Yeah, I missed that. I'm going to go now. So 12. Tan, you are going to miss the game, man. Stay. Okay. This is the final prompt. You'll get to see the UI now. We are going to see the UI now. Use Open API. Yeah, I'm gonna sleep. All right, guys. All right. Copy it. How to play it? Give it to GPT. Oh, I know. Hard coded is just to try the mechanism. No, I was kidding. It might take some time. This is just the UI. We still have to hook up the backend to it, so it might take some time. Get some sleep. College is important. Before Momatan hits me with a tell her you are learning how to code. See, we are learning how to code. This is part of the college. So, yeah, this might take few minutes here and there. Boom, 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 boom. This way to use create open world game. Sorry, I didn't get that, Sunny. Oh, it already did. SVG base spectrum dial. Okay. Oh. Easy, boy. Easy. Let's see. Assign psychic. Okay, someone. Start game. So we have bad movie, good movie, psychic transmission, whatever. This. I can't move the spectrum, right? Uh, so this is a true value, but I cannot move the spectrum. That's the mechanism we want, right? We want to. I know this is the value, right? The highlighted part. This is the guess, lock in guess. Keep questions related to JS for now. Yeah. But can you guys correct me if I'm right or wrong? We are supposed to move the dial, right? Man, I'm making a better. What was the dial that you sent me? I'm going to tell it to make it similar to this. Tan the man, tan the man, tan the man, tan the man. Something like this. So how does the player guess, they move it, right? Okay. They do it something like this. Okay, got it. Attached screenshot, but still following the overall theme that we have. Ask Claude itself. Yeah. It's an authentic dial similar to actual board game. Man, actual board game is boring. It's a physical game. This is virtual. Anything is possible here. But yeah, I'll try to make it at least the thingy. It's updating. It's working. Okay. Man, I need more coffee. While this works, guys, I'll be back in a second. Actually, I'll need to make 2 rounds. I need to start the water and then just give me a second. Did it cook? Did it cook or not? I did something. You said last prompt. Yeah. I don't like this. I don't like this. Right? It's not. Yeah. It tried to. Yeah, it's weird. Not the screen. Is there a dial component? Components. Active game screen. Need some ideas. What kind of ideas, Thor? Click on 100. I don't think it's this thing is working. It's locked. Oh, this is psychic. That's why. I can see everything because I'm looking at it as a psychic. Oh, is that the reason? Okay, bye 12M. Bye Tan. Good night. Yes, we'll talk next week. Next week we might have made some more progress. Can you create an operating system using anti-gravity? I don't know, man. I mean, it can be done, but I don't know if it's that smart to do it in one shot. I mean, you need to know a lot of things about operating system to make it do that thing. Or maybe this is the problem because I'm logged in as a psychic. I cannot do this. I'm building a DC bot. Ooh, interesting. Okay, let me. Okay, guys, I need some ideas. I'm confused now. How do I tell it that I want make the dial semicircle? Let's first do that. Just a simple prompt. Let's ask Claude how to play. Actually, you know what? Uh, Oh, there you go. Perfect. Thank you. Please and thank you. Okay. Now update the UI so that I can move the dial and using mouse and lock and change the guess before locking in. What try Sunny? You want me to try creating an operating system using anti-gravity? Dude, don't say that. Guy codes. First of all, change your name, man. Change it to Guy codes and just stream. You see how I am streaming, right? Struggling through everything, right? So don't worry about that. It's part of the process, and this is how actually everyone does. They figure out they solve problems. They figure out they solve problems, right? Make it work, make it right, make it fast. That's the philosophy. And drink coffee. Okay, I think my water is done. Yes, it is done. I'll be back. Okay. Let's see what did it cook for us. Oh. Uh Interesting. So it's not working as it's not working as see what's happening. I can't drag it. Let's see what is this. Is it using canvas or something? I think this is using the no, it's not using canvas. Interesting. Wait, I forgot. I thought, yes, shall I dream tonight? Stream tonight. Okay, sorry. Yes, do it. Don't you have work tomorrow? Give some ideas to add the blog app that literally I'll add Gemini to operate the image, eligibility, write description. I'll come from work after 9:49 p.m. I can stream for an hour. Yes, let's go. Do a voiceover also. Looks canvas, right? But no, it's not actually. See this? Game board. It's not canvas. Interesting. Doesn't look like canvas to me. Oh, okay. It's just for the confetti. That's it. Next run button, toggle button, mouse events, needle container, mouse down, mouse up, document container. Okay, so it says actually doing this. So it's just handling the move manually. See, is calculating the touch move and everything. Trigger confetti, set target area. Okay. So we just need to tell it to do a better job. That's about it. Let's see. Update the UI so that user can move the needle using drag and drop across the dial. Do one thing better, copy the element, inspect the insert mode, give it to Claude. Okay, let's try that in the next thing. These guys are crazy. Well, they have done some good work. Good thing is it's open source. So I'm going to download the raw file. Thank you. So we're going to Thor is crazy Dev. Thor, do you stream as well? Do you do any? Are you cooking any good projects right now? Interesting projects right now? Uh, I think it. I just read the description. I don't think it did the right thing. Let's see. Well, it's very good at creating UI. See, it's yeah. The whole drag and drop works, but it's way yeah. See this? I mean, it works pretty well, but it's not exact. Let's see why. Maybe we can give it not this. It's using SVG to do this. That's why. Let's call it. So instead of using SVG for the dial, use HTML elements. Use div and and tailwind styles to make the dial. And I'm going to use index.html as a reference of dial behavior. Always make sure the style HTYLES stay consistent with our theme. I did a R&D for building lively translate and transcript from live streams. Ooh. So did you use any did you train the model or do you use any APIs to do that? Or you just did R&D? Live stream translation. So some like website that sounds using audio fingerprinting. Oh, that's interesting. How do you do that? What's the general? Can you do an elevator pitch on how would that work? Audio fingerprinting. The reason I ask is I have an idea. Thor. Uh, oh, it already did that. I didn't realize. Let's see. I want to host a game. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. All right. This is it, guys. So we had to ask it not to 81%. We had because it was the what do we say SVG that was causing the issue. So this is a lot better. Now we need to do what the hell is this? Let's see. Okay, the numbers are how are the numbers supposed to look in the dial? Okay, there are no numbers, just color shades. Okay. Okay. So we want to do two things. We want to remove the numbers and the percentage. Interesting. This is 0. So how does the scoring work? Okay, close 1 point, grade 3 points, 4 points, one close 1 point, no score. Also, this is the perfect one. Okay, interesting. Have been some model, but positive example, so it captures tab and converted into English and shows us. Okay, interesting. That's amazing, man. You should build it. UI is not good. UI can be tweaked. Once you have the functionality working, you can use AI to do the UI. So, okay, this thing. Okay. What should be our next step, guys? We have a lot of things working. Where is that guy? Oh, I didn't mean to do this. Okay, so there's no percentage. It's just a dial. Okay. So how does R look? Okay. So we'll remove all the numbers from the dial and add the spectrum on the other, both sides of the dial. Let's do that. Let's first add this so that we don't lose it. Partially working dial. Rainbow. Okay. We don't need this. Okay. Remove all the numbers from the dial. Add the extremes of spectrum, extremes on either side of the either side of the dial. Though it's nothing that hard for but doing it. So there are two things, right? One is doing it like making an application, even if it's not hard or anything. It's sometimes easy to build it, but then the real challenge comes in building it at scale, right? So even if you build it, you want to then think of how do you deploy it so that even if hundreds of thousands of people are using it, it works fast. It doesn't uh, hit the rate limiting on the APIs and things like that, right? Different use cases and all. So I would say just build it and see where it takes you. So what we are doing next is we are just it's already doing its job, man. Okay, it will work locally, no scaling issue. I think this is promising. So what is this? Is it? It's. I hope it's not using an image for this, right? Is this fixed? Why? Wait. Why? I am confused. I have a doubt. It's Oh, okay. Yeah. It's creating the gradient dynamically. Okay. Okay. So we have the room, we have all the logic. Now I think we need to hook in the backend. Okay. Let's go back to this. I don't know why I did like this, but we'll just keep it like this. Okay. Update the UI. Okay. Implement. I'm trying to think what should be the prompt. I'm trying to think what should be the prompt. Now we want to hook it up with the backend, right? Do we want to do it screen at a time? Oops, didn't mean to do that. Okay, let's just implement the backend. The backend will use Supabase, which is running locally, and the players will be connected P2P. Any change in the dials? Any update? Any? I'm just giving it a very generic prompt because otherwise we'll have to break it down into features and give it different prompts. I want to see if generic one works, then we don't have to waste time. There will be no need to study anything coding for a long time. Just study English. Kind of, you'll still need to understand. Like, this is my personal opinion. Like, you'll still need to maybe understand some basic work, like how certain protocols work, like the conceptual part of everything. Some basic understanding of infrastructures, different technologies, and then it will be mostly prompting, mostly. But let's see. There you were telling something, right? Oh yeah. Good. About the project regarding musical fingerprint or something, right? So I have a thought. I don't know if you are aware of this. Like in India, a lot of elders they are into karaoke now, like singing songs using one of the apps and all, right? So I was thinking of developing a karaoke music finder, uh, which helps them. So there are two things to that app, right? One is that you just enter the song and we can pick up something from YouTube and just a karaoke video from YouTube and play it for them. Second is we use the actual song and extract the lyrics and everything out of it and then create karaoke songs for them. I'm just thinking how easy or hard that is. I have very less info on how to manipulate music files or how to do those things. So that's where like musical fingerprinting thing, I was trying to understand how that works if it comes into picture. See what I mean? So it's creating it created so many APIs. Game API. Okay, game, join, start, player, sound. Okay, it's creating all these APIs for us. So smart. I forgot one part in the prompt. To use simple API, simple. Let's see how it works. It's easy. So let's say I have a song. Let's say I have a song. Is it easy to extract just the music out of it and maybe lyrics out of it and create a karaoke version of the song? Because then it can build on top of it, right? Then we can understand kind of songs the users like and then suggest those songs for karaoke. Because of AI, it's easy. Okay, okay. But the thing is, if you use AI to extract that API is too costly. I mean, technically, we can use AI to identify the songs and all. Simple peer. So this one, what it did over here is it created its own version of P2P, um, which is interesting. I wasn't. I was going to tell it to use simple peer to do that, but let's see. No AI FFmpeg MPEG. Oh, interesting. I've heard about the FFmpeg library. I've heard not bad things about it. I heard it's very messy, but that's for someone who wants to maintain it. Okay, it's creating a summary documentary. Interesting. Well, let's keep that in mind, guy. That's one of the project we can collab on. Yeah. We all of us can collab on and make that app, and we can also just have a first version that simply uses YouTube videos for them and just see how it works. Then we can have our own custom karaoke thing. But have you seen like a lot of people use that? A lot of people are into karaoke nowadays. But their problem is they run out of songs to sing very fast. So this is something that gives them inspiration to find songs based on what they've already sung, what they like, things like that. Let me get one quick reference card. Okay. I think we are, let's see, one set quick reference. Ooh, this is smart. We have a quick reference. Open game. Okay, it created all these endpoints. Initialize P2P. Okay, generate peer ID. Code snippets. Initialize P2P. Okay. Ooh, okay. It's nice. I think that one shot at it. I'm just waiting for it to be over. It's also creating a visual diagram of some sort. Maybe I can test it. Let's see. Player ID. Let's see. Supabase. Participants. Holy crap. room signaling schema. Okay, we have only these 4 tables. It didn't create any new table unless I have to run a script to do that. Can make millions if it goes well or learns. Exactly. I think I'll learn something new. Yeah. And I've seen like I've literally talked like my parents, a lot of people in my family. They need this. I just created a prototype for them on how the app might look using one of the AI tools, and they were like super excited. Oh yeah, we need this. Build this for us. So it could be uh, interesting. Man, Sunny is like super. Sunny, why are you want to create operating system and then viruses and everything? What are you into, man? The answer locally, I know you can do that. Yeah. You need offline models. I don't think any production models will allow you to do that. Sunny wants to make operating systems. He wants to make viruses. He wants to do something nefarious. It seems. Okay, it's updating. README. Host a game. So I wonder if it's doing anything over here. I don't see any changes. So it updated all these codes. Let me see. Did it update the APIs? Or it just created them? Okay, it's using them over here. Oh, I think I need to create this table. See all these things? Okay. Complete backends. Look, it did everything that we were asking for. This is so cool. It only used 15% of the quota, which is good. Okay, front end. User creates a game, create game API, insert game rooms, insert players, room and player, join room, P2P, WebRTC connected, player moves dial, handle dial moves, update UI, send dial update, this broadcast to our peers, on dial update. Oh, okay. Player guess. This is interesting. And some of my chats are not seeing you. Okay. If you know what the bro is planning something big, Sunny wants to shine. I know. Either Sunny wants to shine or he wants to. Oh, performance characteristics. Interesting. Either Sunny wants to shine or he wants to burn. Set up the database, run dev, open 2 tabs. Okay. I can do that. So let's first do. Okay. Setup only failed. Why? Last time we had created this. Oh, I need to run it in Docker, right? I think I need, because my Supabase by default runs Docker. Let me make sure I understand it correctly. Oh man, it created so much stuff for me. To the backend is ready. Start the game with game started guide. Okay. You should see Superbase when you're setting up Wavelength game. Superbase CLI. Okay. Superbase locally on Docker. It's already created. Somehow that chat is not okay. I am planning to run VS Code extension to build a collab to code extensions. Build a collab to code. Can code together similar to Google Docs. Ooh. Yeah, I think there is a tool to do that. I think there's a VS Code tool to do that. We had used it at work once or twice. Okay, so this assumed we have Supabase running locally. So we are going to update it. For some reason, the agent updates are like it doesn't show me what it's trying to update. Oh, Sunny, you're from Kerala? Oh, that's so beautiful. I've never been to Kerala. It's in my list to Superbase. Quick commands. Check apply migrant. See 12 containers running. So when you use it will automatically okay. So if I do this, it should work, right? If I just do shutdown. Restart. Let's say that. Yeah, so I was saying that Kerala is in my list to travel for so long. I want to be there. It's so beautiful. So, guys, we are almost there. I think we are closer to trying this one more time. So let's see how it goes. Okay, we have all the containers running. Let's go here. Let's refresh this. Okay, why didn't it create the table? Why it didn't create the tables? I don't think I can run this otherwise. Yeah, I'll have to install it. I don't think it will work locally. You have this when you use Superbase, it automatically manages Docker containers for you. Okay. Okay, let me do this. Install -g Supabase. Supabase as a global module is not supported. Okay. So, okay, let me ask the expert. So I have DB migration script for Supabase. How do I update the backend? So yeah, it's creating all the rooms that we need: public, players, game state, dial updates, and it's in public, right? Table editor. Yeah, public. Oh, okay. It was just this, guys. Create wavelength. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. We are ready. We should be. Yeah, there you go. We have all our tables. 4, 5, something. Oh, I'll sleep at 10 minutes because I've got to go. All right, guys. We'll quickly try this. If it's saving stuff in the database, we can call it a day. I'll still make sure I'll develop rest of it together only, if that's what you want. Let's see. Players. I don't see anything. Okay. Host a game. Rooms. Okay. Game rooms. I don't see anything. Start game. Okay. So not, our UI is not, I mean, database is not getting updated. I didn't mean to do that. What happened? So for some reason, the UI is not calling the API, and we can confirm this again. GVD. We'll quickly check the network tab to see if there's any network activity. Nothing, 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 nothing. Okay. Okay, let's close this. Update the UI to use this APIs. Where is wavelength? Gaikor, if you stream, feel free to share it on my Discord. Even I'll try and join. Okay. Page wavelength page. Okay. Update the UI screens to use. To use the newly created APIs and update the data. APIs to update DB and initialize P2P game room. So we have the backend working. We have the implementing summary, integration, get quick version. Dial updates, yeah. I'll add this to. I'll add this. We have the backend ready. We have the UI ready, but they are not communicating. I'll add this also. So we need to do that. Marathi, I didn't speak on stream. Oh, I keep everything on mute. Probably not. Not him. In Dave's chat. In my chat. Yeah, I don't remember. मला मराठी माहित नाही. मला मराठी माहित नाही. So funny story. While this works, I was in Pune for 5-6 years, and the only Marathi line that I learned was "Mala Marathi Mahit Nahi." And once I was talking to someone, and she asked me something in Marathi, like one of our mess ladies, and I kept telling her "Mala Marathi Mahit Nahi." Then she'll again ask something. Mala Marathi Mahit nahi. And she was like looking at me strangely. She was getting angry. And I was like, why is she getting angry with me? Then my friend said, you are telling her in Marathi that you don't know Marathi. She thinks you are making fun of her. Marathi Manus. Marathi Manus. I loved Pune, so I am Marathi Manus at heart, but I can't speak the language. I understand it a bit, but I can't speak. Thor, are you from Maharashtra? Pune. It's Pune, right? They call it Pune, not Pune. Pune. आमची पुणे. अपन के साथ कोड करेगा क्या बंटा करेगा करेगा कुछ करते ना. So now we are going to keep talking about this thing as well, right? So we have the back end, we have the front end, and we are going to use all these APIs, next API routes that we created to save it to database and hopefully create the P2P server that we want. Yes, Pune, Mumbai. Mumbai, I just visited, but I lived in Pune for 4-5 years. I loved Pune, man. Amazing city. I don't know how is it now because I lived there years ago, but yeah. I know the accent from from the movies. I could tell. Apun, when you said Apun, I could tell. All right, guys. I think it's getting late for you too. So I'll wait for a few minutes to get this APIs done. Once it saves to the database, we can call it, and we'll. I'll see. Do you want me to implement rest of it on stream or offline? We can do it on stream. We are very close to trying it, but I don't think it will one shot the P2P implementation for this. Yeah, it's not that beautiful right now. Are you talking about Pune? Yeah, old Pune was so beautiful. Amazing people, amazing place. Not too city-like, but not too suburbs as well. It was beautiful. I loved it. My plan was to settle there only. Let me update the route to be more flexible. Okay. I think I should at some point delete the other tables. What did I close? Okay. I hope I didn't close this. No. Okay, good. I'm from Bihar, but a place in South India. Oh, nice. Okay, your database as it okay, it's still doing this. When I've just been to southern part of India once or twice. Only twice. once I was a kid and I don't remember anything from that trip. Another time it was to give an exam. So, but I heard even South India is beautiful. All right. I think things are okay. Let's see. It's good. It's creating the summaries for us. So let's see. All US skins are successfully updated to create newly P2 game room. The wavelength function are fully entering. All right. It does this. Okay. Let's see. Let me close this. Okay. Actually, let me open it. I want to see the network calls. No network call yet. Okay. Ooh, issue. Ooh, problem. What is the error? Fetch play.map is not a function. Okay. Room code. Oh, now that it's working. Game room code this, room name this. Okay. Players is me. Okay, it's updating the database. But I think this issue is, I think these are same. And I think why this is the issue, because we don't have multiple players. So let me do this. I'll open it again. Right now, I'll just quickly test it locally. If it works, I can share the link. Player GVD2, oops, 2. Join a game. There is no way to join a game. Oh man, this is stupid. What is this doing? It's waiting for the play. Is it pinging? Oh yeah. It's constantly polling every some seconds. Okay, we'll keep it. Okay. Let me add join room functionality. Implement the join room functionality. I was so excited. Oh, we are ready. We are ready to do. Oh, I want to just get the join a game. And to make sure I point it to the right place. Yeah. When the user clicks on join a room, they should see the option to. Okay, I'll just see this. The game, the agent is smart enough to figure out UI and backend. In the end, it'll be, let's make railway exam, right? Oh, me? Railway exam? No. This was a long time ago. I forgot. It was an exam to get into some colleges. I forgot the exam name, but yeah. What is this Entherin movie, man? I haven't seen that. And how does it end? You are scaring me, Sunny. Sometimes vibe coding feels slow because I'm used to conventional coding where you're constantly typing. But then when I look at the big picture, like we got so much stuff done in what? How long have I been streaming? In 2.5 hours. Right? We had so much stuff done in 2.5 hours. It feels, no, vibe coding is fast. You just need to have the right plan and the right steps in mind. I don't know if I have that, but it still works. 26 में दुनिया खत्म. Ooh. Oh, okay. Robot wala, is it like two parts of that? Chitti? Was that the one with Chitti in it? I'll get some water, guys. Just give me a second. All right, sorry guys, I'm back. I actually heated my coffee. I made my coffee and I forgot. All right, let's see. DVD2. Next, join a game. Ooh. Okay. I'll create a game here. Host a game. DaveMode. Initialize. Guys, register players waiting. Okay, there is an issue. This thing.map is not a function. Fetch players. Await, get players. Okay, I am getting this error. I'm pretty sure why is this. Let me copy this error. I think get players is not returning anything. Let's see. Players response. Oh, it did return. Oh, it has. Okay, it has this dot players. So let's see. What does get players call? Game meeting room. Game waiting room. Get players. Okay, there you go. I see dot players. That's what it had to do. See, this is a little bit of ingenuity alive in me. I could guess the error by just looking at it. Let's see. GUD, host a game, new room. Okay. Let's go here. GUD2, next, join a game, join game. Guys. Okay, another issue. Fail to handle player action. Players, missing required field. Okay. I think this would work. Will there be a streaming tomorrow? No, not tomorrow. Next week. I'm trying to still set things up so that I can stream regularly, but right now it's just weekly. Guys, do you want to try one time on the. Do you want to play around? Do you want to try? Should I start the server and see? I have a doubt that this won't work, but I want to try. Are you guys ready for one quick try, or are you guys leaving? Tell me quickly. Yes, try. Yes, okay. Okay, I'm going to give the details soon. Okay. Here you go, guys. Join. And this is the room code. Okay. Join and with the room code. Let me know when you join. Let's see, 4, 5 open. Okay. Okay, someone entered you room code as a player name. It's okay, that's okay. We have Thor here. Okay, let's see. Can I do this? Okay. Thor joined. Okay. Error. Okay, got it. I think there are two things here. One is handle player action. Okay, let's do this. Handle player action is throwing, is returning with the error. Oh, who got the error? I think that is because two things. I think I have, okay, yeah, I have 3 players connected, 0 P2P connections. Interesting. Okay. So I knew this might happen, but I will close the server, guys. Okay. So it's because of the server, backend API call and not due to P2P. I think P2P is working as expected. It's the backend API call. So I'm trying to fix that. Okay, keep. Okay. Let's try one more time. I'm going to give a new server. Just give me a second. DVD. Okay, first you enter the name. DaveMode. I'll do 4, 5 players. Okay. This is lives. Number of rounds. Okay, let's see. Initialize game. Allow. All right, last try, guys. Here you go. This is the room. This is the link. This is the room code. Okay. Enter your name first and then room code when you click on join the room. We have Thor. Sunny, are you joining? Anyone else getting error or something? Else I'll just quickly do a test with Thor. Okay. Oh, we have this guy. I think this is you, Sunny, or is it you? Okay. And start game. Fail to start a game. So the APIs are not perfect. Okay, got it. 3 error. Okay. So I think we have done a lot of progress today. The APIs are not perfect. I'm going to wait for a second to see if we can just start here. Don't leave the screen yet. Try starting the game again. Okay. Oh, guys, the game has started. Can someone move the dial and see if something is happening? I'm going to keep this over here. Oops. I want to see the network tab here. Only it needs to work. I don't see anything in the network tab. Still on that screen. Which screen? I don't see anything. Let's see this. Dial updates is empty. If I do maybe this, lock in guess. Oh, game has not started for you? Waiting. Oh, so it just started for me. Can someone check the network tab and see if there's an error for you guys? I have a hunch just because of. I have a hunch for this. No errors in network tab? I'll show you what has happened. GVD. Let me try. I'll show you what the issue is. Okay. We won't fix it this time, but I'll show you what the issue is. DaveMode 2. Okay. This is it, right? Now I'm going to join as another player. I'm going to use this code. Join a game. I did the same mistake as someone. Right? So I'm here. Now if I do this, so psychic has been assigned. Right? Assign psychic. Now if I do this, this is going to be fun. See, if I click on start game, there you go. So what's happening here is it's error on my side. Yeah, what's happening here is this. Oh, I don't want this. I don't want this. I don't want this. Yeah, you guys are stuck in this screen, right? Yes. So what's happening here is it's trying to update the database directly. And just because there is no localhost here, it's causing an issue. Now I can fix this, but it will take 5-10 minutes. If you have patience, I can fix it and we can try again. And there is another error. This game round log. Okay. So let me do this. Let me do this. Go here. Fix it? Okay, okay. All right, guy codes. Good night. Yeah. I'm going to try and apply this last fix. I'm going to apply this last fix and then yeah. Fast. Yes, I'm doing it fast. We made YouTube. I know, right? A lot of things are working now. Once the dial updates work, we can call it a day. Okay, what was the second API? There was also another one, right? I'm going to quickly try it before we... Oh, okay, I close this. I am such a smart guy. GD host a game. GD2 next join a game. Join GD2 assign start. Okay, so now start. There are issues. Okay, I think there are multiple issues. I mean, it's there, but there are quite a few issues. And I ugly, beautiful. Oh, see, it also assigned a new one. But I think it's mostly backend issues. I think it's a good point to call it a day for now. Thank you for the support, Sunny. But let's finish this next stream. I'll work offline and I'll make sure I'll update the. I'll fix all the API issues offline, and the next stream we can add the rest of the logic and hopefully deploy the game and see how it works. What do you think, guys? I think we had a good run. We made a lot of progress today in less than 3 hours. That is amazing. Good job, guys. Give yourself a round of applause. You all did good here. We all did good here. Yes, everyone, take care. Join the Discord if we can. If you want to continue the discussion offline as well, the Discord link is pinged in the comments. And I'll see you all next Sunday. If I'm streaming earlier or any other time, I'll drop a link on Discord. So make sure you join it. Okay. I'll see you all next time, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. It was so much fun. Bye. Take care. I'll have to change the monitors to end the stream. All right, guys. See ya.